Didn't think it happened so soon, but that one afternoon you finally moved on. Letting go of all that he said and finally kept for yourself. You really moved on. And I feel it. Hi guys, welcome back to Mrs. B Lux Life. I am Sarita and I am back from Vegas. So now we are going to look at some things I picked up in Vegas. So it's not going to be long, just something I need to start using some of the stuff. I want to start using it, so I'm going to show y'all. Okay, I don't know if I should start from the first thing. Okay, well, let me start with the stuff that's already on the desk. Okay, so I went to the Hello Kitty Cafe. Yes, when Ty was growing up, we went to Build-A-Bear all the time. She had, I think, 5 Hello Kitty Build-A-Bear. She had a white one, a pink one, an orange one, a purple one, and a black one. And I think the black one was like the Halloween edition or something. So I was like, we have to go there, Ty. And she was like, okay, we can go there. So I already had them picked out what I was going to get. Well, this didn't come from there. Let me show you. I got a strawberry lemonade. I think that's what it's called. Strawberry lemonade something in this little bag. Yeah, it's just a tote. It's really just to get something from there because they had sweatshirts and stuff, but I didn't want to pay up the prices that they were. I think if I have the prices, I'll put them right here. But yeah, this was, I think, $5. What shucks? Oh, here it is. Okay, yeah, it was a reusable bag for $5. So that's what I ended up getting. And then the strawberry lemonade was $6.50, and Ty had a soft serve ice cream and a Hello Kitty waffle cone for $9.50. I think I got video of that. I'm gonna put that up here.
And your ice cream.
All right, thank you.
Of course. Have a good night.
You too.
Thank you.
$9.50 for some ice cream and a cone. It's cute, but okay. So we left out of there, and then right around the escalator, there was an ABC liquor store, but they sell everything. And look at this. It says Vegas, Las Vegas on the back. It was $9.99. Isn't that cute? Ty said, you're not going to put that on any of your bags. You don't know what I'm going to do with it. I might just keep it hanging or something. I don't know. I'm the mama. Goodness. Okay, so before that day, I think that was, I don't know. But let me show y'all what I did finally get that I wanted, and TikTok sells it and they're always sold out. Burns my gears because, but I was able to get them. This is from, we did go to the outlet on 4/29 because that was release day, so I had a plan to go over there. So I went to the outlet that day. But before getting to Coach, I picked up these Crocs with the gold. This is plastic too, y'all. It is not, it's just gold color. But if you look on TikTok, they're always sold out. So I picked them up. Crocs does military discount. And these end up, they were $44.99. After the discount, they were $40.49. And then with tax, they were $43.83 out the door. So I finally have them. So I'm excited about that. And then before there, in Seasons, we went to the Coach store. But what is this? Yeah, at the Coach store, I just picked up. Okay, I picked up a C to go on just any of my bags. But they finally had them restocked at the Coach store. She said they literally got them in the day before. Perfect. They were waiting on me. So she got me one from the back.
And while in there, I brought my tag because I went to the Galleria before I went. And I went and picked up a tag from my client advisor, well, sales associate, who is now no longer with Coach. Oh my God, she moved on to bigger and better things. But oh, starting a new relationship with somebody, I just don't, just not there for it. But that's what I got. Y'all see it shimmers? Oh yes, love it, love it. So that is the big tag too. So while at the outlet, I picked this up because my local outlet didn't have it. Y'all can see it's at the Coach. I picked this up, one for me and one for my aunt. Yeah, I called her because the day before she ended up getting her bag, and yeah, so I finally have a wallet to match the bag. Yes. And you know, it comes with the little wristlet and all that. All of them were already unpacked and everything. And I saw another bag while I was there. Let me put the picture here for y'all. But I left it there because I was like, you got a crafty, you got all the other bags, you don't need that bag. So I pat myself on the back for that because that was good. That was good. Okay, so in our hotel, yeah, it's another bag. I don't know what it's at. But in our hotel, they have these little cups. And I picked one up. So I said I will end up. What is it on my arm? Girl, I don't know what that is. I didn't put my arm on something. Okay. But I said I would drink me a little espresso out of there. Because y'all see it's small. But yeah, isn't that cute? And I got it in blue. I got it in blue. So very, very cute. I'm sitting there like, I know there was another bag. Okay. We stayed at this time. We stayed at Flamingo, and it was nice because they revamped a lot of the rooms. So we were in the Habitat area, which is the newer rooms. And yeah, it was $7 a night plus the resort fee. So it ended up 57 some plus tax. So it was like, I think $63 a night. Not bad, y'all. Not bad. Y'all know I am going to travel on a discount. Let's not even talk about travel because we're not going there. My flights, oh gosh. Oh, I picked this up in the Flamingo gift shop. They have multiple gift shops. Y'all, if y'all have not walked through the Flamingo, just go walk through it. It's free to walk through. Just go see. But look at this. It's like mink. It's a little store they had in there. It was 12 bucks. I thought that was cute. But I went down there originally just to get this cup because I was like, I cannot wait to drink my coffee in this because it's cute. It is cute. So let me open it. She wrapped it very well, honey. You are not getting in this. Oh my goodness. Isn't that cute? OMG. It just says flamingo on this side, but it's sparkly. If y'all can see it. Oh, love it. Love it. This was $12.95. So that's the goodies that I picked up. We did stop at some different coffee shops and places that we wanted to eat and stuff. And it was very, I love Vegas. I tell y'all that all the time. That is just my place. Ty ended up buying a bracelet from Louis Vuitton. I forgot what it's called, but she got her, I think it was an essential bracelet, the V essential or something like that. She picked that up. So that's what she picked up from Louis Vuitton. I didn't buy anything in the store, but I did get a bando ordered. It is coming from Hawaii because they only showed two. And that one is coming from Hawaii. I'm excited because it was limited edition from what she said. So I'm excited because I kept thinking on it for like the last month and a half or so. And I just knew the store would have it. And that was like a little keepsake for me, a souvenir. Yeah, y'all understand when I say souvenir when I unbox it when it does arrive next week. But I just hated that it wasn't in the store. But I did get it ordered. So that's that. But I still have to break down my crafty. I'm so happy that it is here. And I ordered a bag charm. So I'm waiting on it to come from Amazon because they had it in Nordstrom's, but Amazon had it too. So I had some credit on there. I just went on and got it from there. And that's it, y'all. I just want to show y'all. I'm trying to make sure I ain't missing nothing because I know me. Oh, I got this little thing. No, I showed y'all that already. Okay, well, I don't have anything else to show y'all. I done showed y'all everything. Oh, I did have something to show y'all. I went to MAC And I picked up a limited edition Las Vegas. They had lipstick, lip gloss, chap or whatever, and a bag. I ended up buying the plumping. Girl, I put that stuff on my lip. It started like like a strong peppermint or something. What is going on? What is going on? That's the whole. But I ended up buying that. I'll put a picture here because I did take a picture of it. And it was just for a souvenir. Just for a souvenir. So that's it. That's all, guys. I will see y'all on the next one. That was just my recap from Vegas. I'll put some other content in from things I did around. And that's it. But have y'all been to Vegas? Do y'all like Vegas? I don't gamble. I go to shop. But if you gamble, guess what? I'm supporting you. Whoop, whoop. I'm there for you. I don't know. But thank y'all for watching. And I will see y'all on the next one. Bye.